house, so. Oh.
Here, do you want? Here, try this one.
Need a change of scenery?
Here. No, look, you can see. Don't look at Daddy's. You can see out of it.
No.
Okay. She was like really good not being able to see. Like you can't see anything with this.
No.
You like that?
No, Daddy.
No, Dad. All right, get a drink.
Where is that? Take a picture.
We took pictures. Okay.
Where at? Okay.
Other way.
I'll do it, Daddy. Here you go, Daddy.
Thank you.
To turn down.
Good job.
Daddy, no turn.
Okay, my turn.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Open it up. Close it. That's better.
That's better.
Say cheese.
Close down.
No, that one doesn't close. That's always, or that doesn't open. It's always closed.
Do you want to try the other one, right?
Try this one.
All right.
And take a picture. And take a picture.
We took a lot of pictures.
This is a great advertisement video. Like, you have no idea why you keep walking away.
Have more Dad?
Come on, go back for your picture. Best advertisements ever.
She wants.
If only we owned the company.
She wants. She doesn't want this one. Or this.
No, now she does. She wanted the
You want this
flippy.
You want flippy?
Flip screen.
And Mary's
You want
hat.
flip?
And Mary's hat.
Oh,
You want
see?
Mary's?
She wants the modification on her hat.
You want this one on yours?
On the
Okay, I can't do it right now. We need tools first. Okay.
Okay.
You think people would buy them? Good.
My book.
All right. Night night. Welding helmet